Look, you don't have to make trading difficult, okay? You got to keep it simple. To stay in this business for a long time, you've got to keep it simple. And the more I trade, the simpler I keep it. Last week, the funded account here, the 250K dollars funded account finished up $4,646. And I hardly done anything. I didn't feel like I was at my screens intensely day trading the market. I was just following my trading system and keeping it as simple as possible. And with the 250K one here, you see me past the 5K one. That was done pretty quickly. The 250K one here that I'm looking to pass, it's just steady position sizes at the moment. I'm not loading the boat quite yet, but I think I'm going to start doing that next week. I'm going to ramp up position size because I think it'll be a great end to the year, because I think there'll be lots of positions being closed. There'll be some very nice movement in towards the break as we go into Christmas. So position sizing is relatively small. However, I'm going to ramp it up next week to get that position sizing higher. But it was a nice couple of trades to finish the week off. Pound Japanese yen, we'll look at those in a sec, and the pound US dollar. I mean, they brought in just near enough a 2K for trading last week, but 4,646 was a steady week. Let's go and dive into the charts, because that's the exciting bit. Your system has to be very simple to follow, otherwise it's going to confuse you, and you don't want it hard. You don't want your trading hard. And here's the pound US dollar. The system here turned 3 tracks, okay? So when you get 3 tracks and the same color on the candlestick, that's your entry to get into a trade, okay? So we got 3 tracks which were red here, and this thing just started selling off Thursday and Friday. So it was all short side trades for me in this account for this trade, which was really nice indeed. Nice signal to short here. We had news out about the economy on the Great British Pound, and this was just selling. If you can follow green and red, then you'll be able to use the tracks here, the Pro Trend System tracks, very simply indeed. So a really simple setup. I'm not looking at RSI, Bollinger Bands, all the traditional technical analysis. I love all that. I can write all day long about that. But when I'm trading in live accounts, then I want something that's simple, that gives me signals. And look, all these days, you just want to be trading momentum, because we've seen in 2024 has been a most incredible momentum year for trading the world markets. You've seen tech stocks flying through the roof. It's been green on our Pro Trend System tracks for a long time, and it's been incredibly powerful. I think 2025 we're going to see similar trading conditions, but I think a bit more selective. Okay, so you're going to need the system here to get into trading to keep it really simple for you. Let's take a little look at the pound yen. So it was all about selling again. It was all about selling the British pound last week. Nice sell signals here. Red sell signals to the downside. Red 3 tracks. Red tracks, red tracks. Overnight trading. Red 3 tracks. Pro Trend System to the downside. So nice entries, nice exit trades from this area here, guys. And then we got a new buy signal. We started rallying higher first thing on the 13th out the gate, and pushed up. So that was a nice trade. But however, I was looking for the short side, because the bigger time frame, which we call an anchor chart, which is above the entry time frame, was actually turning red for me as well on the British pound. Okay, so all I'm looking at is those 2 things. The bigger time frame, is it in line with the entry time frame that I'm going to take the trade? All right, so if it is, that's 2 points. 1 point for the bigger time frame, 1 point for the smaller time frame. For us, it's the colors. It's the colors and the momentum with our signals. That's what we're looking for. Okay, so good trading week last week. 4,500, 250K account in a funded account that I'm having fun with, these funded accounts, guys. And also some other trades in the live account with the spread betting account as well. And in the share dealing account, that's done exceptionally well for 2024. Because it's been such a big year for momentum. We've seen tech stocks go through the roof. So whatever type of trader you are, you've got to keep it simple. The smaller the time frame, you need that certainty to get into those trades at the right time. which will give you the confidence. If you're doing the swing trading stuff and looking for longer term, maybe holding for a couple of weeks, for several months with stocks, US stocks, UK stocks, or whatever it is you're trading, then you're going to need momentum style indicators. Okay, so Pro Trading System works really well on our tracks. Hope it helps, guys. There'll be plenty more updates this week, and I think it's going to be a great end to the year. I think we're going to see some nice volatility coming this week forward. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.